Hi there, it's Gabby here with Radiant Art Inspirations. If you're new, this channel is all about easy, fun, fast face paint tutorials every single week. Today's design is a lot of fun, and we call it a festival crown. It's awesome for all kinds of events, any time of the year. We like to do it on teens and adults. It's super fast, it's a lot of fun, with really great, vibrant neon colors. We are gonna go from this to this. Let's get started. First, with a sponge, create eyeshadow of light purple and apply glitter with your finger. With another sponge, apply neon yellow to the forehead and on each side of the eyes, kind of creating a large structure. And then apply glitter. With another sponge, use neon pink to sponge inside of the yellow. Lastly, with neon orange, sponge the inner areas of each part of the face. Next, with a number 4 brush, draw 3 teardrops in between the eyebrows, and then with a number 2 brush, draw 4 hooks surrounding the center teardrops. You want to create them kind of thin, but also fluid like water. Then create 2 backward or normal teardrops on each side. Click the box. Click the box that says subscribe. Subscribe and hit the bell. Yeah. Hit the bell. Yeah. Lastly, for your centerpiece, add some dots to whichever teardrops you think would look great. Then you're going to create the same thing on both sides of the eyes, but it's going to be a lot skinnier than how you did it for your centerpiece, but with the same concept. It's great to practice your line work and to take your time when creating these. The corner of the eye is your imaginary dot, so when creating the teardrops, it's important to make sure that all your teardrop ends come to the middle point of the inner eye. And then do the exact same on the other side. Here is a faster time lapse of what we just did on the first side. And you're pretty much done. But wait, there's more. Gems and glitter time. Here we're using a gem for the centerpiece, and then whatever gems you want to use, go ahead and put them in your design. Next, we're using festival glitter, Rave UV, to accent the rest of the festival crown, putting it on top of the eyebrows, under the eyes, and a little bit on top of the crown. Yay, you're all done. Give yourself in this video a thumbs up. See you guys next week. Bye-bye.